Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Roblox Plus in 2026. If you're looking for the official Roblox Plus membership, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Okay, first update Roblox app to the latest version. Now click on three dot lines. Tap on Roblox Plus. Tap on Subscribe. Now, add your debit or credit card properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.